कैसा है रिलेशनशिप आपका हमारे इंडियन पैप्स के साथ?
They are very sweet. ताज़ा खबर के स्क्रीनिंग पे I walked onto the red carpet और suddenly हवा चली and you know sort of my top was kind of flying and my hair was flying and I said oh my god हवा चल रही है. So one of them said आपके आते ही ज़्यादा हवा चलने लग गई. हमारा इधर केस Oh my god. Ori and Urfi took something so unique about themselves and they build a brand around it and I think that is incredible. You know, सबकी बस की बात नहीं होती. वीडियोस में कभी कभी ना पैप समझते नहीं है कि उनकी आवाज रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. बहुत डेंजरस होते हैं वो कमेंट्स. माय गॉड.
बट आपने कह दिया है कि आप सिंगल हो,
Yeah.
तो पूछना चाहूंगी किस टाइप का लड़का आप ढूंढ रही हो खुद के लिए? क्या क्वालिटीज
लड़का?
क्या
क्या
क्वालिटीज चाहिए आपको एक लड़के में?
साउंडिंग लाइक माय मदर.
वाओ,
किसी को अगर जज करना है कि क्या ये मेरे लिए ठीक है, कैन सो एंड सो पर्सन बी अ गुड कंपेनियन, ट्रैवल विद देम, शेयर अ रूम विद देम, हैबिट्स देखो, हाइजीन देखो. वो बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल. हेलो नमस्ते, मैं हूँ पूजा नवाते. वेलकम टू फिल्मी ज्ञान और आज की ताज़ा खबर. मेरे साथ है श्रेया पिळगावकर.
थैंक यू.
हेलो एंड वेलकम टू आवर स्टूडियो.
थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी.
कशी आहेस?
मस्त, मजेत, वेरी हैप्पी.
आज मैं शायद बीच बीच में मराठी में भी बात कर सकती हूँ, ठीक है? व्हेन टू मराठी पीपल मीट.
दोन मराठी मुली बसल्या तिथे.
हो.
यस.
सो ते होणार आहे. बट कंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स.
Thank you.
ताज़ा खबर इज गार्नरिंग लॉट ऑफ प्रेजेस एंड
Yes,
फीडबैक्स.
yes.
जैसे अभी अभी आफ्ताब जी ने भी आके आपको अच्छा फीडबैक दिया.
Totally.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
यू नो आई थिंक सितंबर इज अ मंथ जहाँ पे सीक्वल्स ने किल कर दिया
है ना?
बिकॉज ताज़ा खबर सीजन 2 है जिसका रिस्पॉन्स बहुत अच्छा हुआ है एंड इवन मेरी पापा की मराठी फिल्म नवरा माझा नवसाचा 2 वो भी सुपर हिट हो गई है एंड टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट सीक्वेंस आर ऑलवेज अ चैलेंज बिकॉज देयर इज एक्सपेक्टेशंस एंड जब एक्सपेक्टेशंस होते हैं तब डर भी लगता है कि क्या यू नो फैंस क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं बट इट्स अ लॉयल ऑडियंस एंड यू टेक दैट एक्साइटमेंट एंड ट्राई एंड क्रिएट समथिंग इवन बेटर. तो हमने बहुत कोशिश की है ताज़ा खबर 2 में कि कुछ नया दे. इट्स बिगर, इट्स बेटर, देयर इज एक्शन and lot of drama.
क्या बात है.
Yeah.
And since you mentioned नवरा माझा नवसाचा 2,
Yes.
and you had a special appearance that was a surprise. Trust me, when people walked into the theater, they
Yeah.
saw you, everybody's reaction, ये unexpected था.
Yeah,
हे
that's
आम्हाला
the
माहितीच
point.
नव्हतं.
Yes,
है
I
ना?
think I mean मराठी audience के लिए ये film एक emotion है. It's a cult comedy film. So how could I have not been part of it? In fact, जब ये film की shoot हो रही थी, मैं ताज़ा खबर shoot कर रही थी. At the same time, you know, and I wanted to be part of it. Ganpati Bappa is very close to my heart, and there was a beautiful Ganpati song called Dum Dum Dumru in the film towards the end.
Yes.
And I had to be part of it, so I did this special appearance where मैं मम्मी के साथ डांस कर पाई.
Wearing a navvari.
Wearing a navari, and that was just my way of being part of the legacy of this film and to share this moment with my parents. So मुझे मज़ा आया because मैं secretly theatre में गई reaction देखने, and to be in this big hall with a house full audience and seeing them cheer for you at your entry, that is a special feeling.
क्या बात है. And I must tell you that you look absolutely stunning.
Thank you.
And let's really talk about your fashion sense.
What do you want to talk
I starting from the red carpet appearances that you make, you know,
about? Yeah.
we get blown away
Thank
with your styling, your
Thank
dressing
you.
sense, your makeup, your hairstyle.
Thank you.
I really want to know, how do you plan it all? Of course, you have a team of people,
Yeah.
but then you always pick and choose. The last decision might be yours.
Right. You know, honestly speaking, a lot of my work, the body of my work, has been rooted in reality. So a lot of my characters have not been able to explore a lot of fashion, if I may say so,
True.
on screen. So for me, dressing up, being on a red carpet is like exploring different versions of Shreya. You know. So when I step out, I ask myself, what character do I want to be today? Am I going in for like glam diva? Am I going in for like street gangster? What am I feeling?
Yeah.
Or am I just going for classic silhouettes? It's like playing dress up. and that's why I love acting, you know, because you get to live many lives in one lifetime.
Absolutely.
And I'm surrounded by an incredible team, and we love to create these looks. Or for us, it's a moment. We like to create these moments. And for me, fashion is not about following a trend or doing the right fashion thing or getting approval. For me,
Correct.
fashion is just exploring another aspect to me, having fun. And sometimes it can be uncomfortable, but hey, you gotta do what you gotta do for fashion. It's okay.
It's okay. And then when you walk down the red carpet, हमारे Indian paparazzi,
Yes, प्यारे पैप्स,
प्यारे
प्यारे पैप्स।
पैप्स हमारे
हाँ।
इतने अच्छे अच्छे कॉम्प्लीमेंट शॉर करते हैं.
मुझे
कैसा है रिलेशनशिप आपका हमारे इंडियन पैप्स के साथ?
दे आर वेरी स्वीट. मुझे तो मेरा एक्सपीरियंस अच्छा रहा है. ऑल्सो बिकॉज मैं I mean, I'm not somebody who regularly, you know, gets papped, or it's only around promotions जहाँ पे, you know, हम PR करते हैं, or, you know, unless, of course, that's a chance encounter. But I like the fact that at least in my case, I've experienced that they have respected boundaries and there is a familiarity. जब हम एक दूसरे को इतना देखते रहते हैं, तो एक नेचुरल कनेक्ट भी बन जाता है. वो सवाल पूछते हैं, मम्मी कैसी है, पापा कैसी है, आपका वो फोटो देखा अच्छा लगा. एंड समटाइम्स द कमेंट्स आर टू फनी.
हिलेरियस.
ताज़ा खबर की स्क्रीनिंग पे आई वॉक्ड onto the red carpet, और suddenly हवा चली, and you know, sort of my top was kind of flying and my hair was flying, and I said, oh my god, हवा चल रही है. So one of them said, आपके आते ही ज़्यादा हवा चलने लग गई. Don't know what to say.
Paps.
Oh my god. But you know what I find really funny? वीडियोस में कभी-कभी ना पैप समझते नहीं है कि उनकी आवाज रिकॉर्ड हो रही है. बहुत डेंजरस होते हैं वो कमेंट्स. माय गॉड.
जैसे बहुत सारे पैप्स मराठी भी है.
Yes.
वो मराठी कमेंट्स क्या बात करते हैं आपको देखते
नहीं,
हैं?
एक्चुअली वो मराठी में ही बात करते हैं मुझसे,
Correct.
मोस्ट ऑफ देम. बट दे आर वेरी स्वीट, एंड ऑनेस्टली वी अंडर एस्टिमेट हाउ हार्ड इट मे बी. वो भी उनका काम है और हम भूल जाते हैं कि ये शोबिज है.
Right.
You know, so it's part of the media circle.
Correct.
And हम जितना उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, वो भी हमें उतना रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे.
Okay. Shreya, but another question would be related to the pap spotting culture.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is there a constant pressure as a celebrity की visibility होनी चाहिए, भले ही प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हो नहीं कर रहे हो? जैसे आपने कहा कि आप जब प्रोजेक्ट्स होते हो तब PR हायर कर लेते हो प्रमोशन के दौरान.
Yeah.
Otherwise, when you're not working or not shooting, does it at all bother you कि यार मैं ना जिम के बाहर मुझे शायद पैप्स को बुलाना चाहिए, या यू नो मैं आज रेस्टोरेंट में जा रही हूँ मेरे दोस्तों के साथ, वहाँ पे पैप्स आएंगे तो यू नो. एंड देन अगेन another pressure is कि एयरपोर्ट पे जा रहे हो, रेस्टोरेंट में जा रहे हो, फिर वो कपड़े सोर्स करो स्टाइलिस्ट के से. तो does it put a pressure on you? Have you ever given a thought to this?
Very honestly, this is not something I personally put pressure on to myself or even stress about, because I look at it as part of my work. I think I would be very stressed if I got papped every day. If wherever I went, if I'm expected or I'm expecting paps to be there, that's going to be too much for me. I don't think that is something that I do anyway, but I won't judge people if they are comfortable doing it. You know what I'm
Correct.
saying?
Absolutely.
I wouldn't judge people if they are comfortable doing it, but personally for me, I do it once in a while around work, and I do think that we have to accept that your hard work, your talent is one aspect of it. PR is another aspect of it today that's equally important. I like to maintain a balance of it, but I think it would be very stressful if to be papped every day. I don't know how some of the people do it. And some people are great at it. They're very comfortable with it.
True.
You know.
Agreed.
तो also क्या है कि I don't think हमेशा जब आपको पैप किया जाता है you have to be put together. I think it's totally okay to just be yourself and
people might
chill
love
out. हाँ. सिर्फ पैप होके किसी का career build नहीं होगा. But I'll give you an example. I think it is so amazing. Ori and Urfi took something so unique about themselves, and they build a brand around it, and I think that is incredible. You know, सबकी बस की बात नहीं होती.
बिल्कुल.
एक आप में जो एक unique quality है, you just embrace that
They're the
unapologetically.
They are the biggest examples.
So I think even in their case, they used this to their advantage and created something larger. So for me also, that I think about it, you know, what is brand Shreya, and I work towards that, and all my decisions are sort of associated with that.
क्या बात है. And talking about the balance part,
Yeah.
where some people are very much comfortable
Yeah.
showcasing their personal life
Yeah.
along with professional
Yeah.
life, may it be
Yeah.
their projects, web series,
Yeah.
films,
Yeah.
or their dating life.
Yeah.
You have been sort of stayed away from all these things.
Yeah,
Is
yeah,
it a conscious choice, or right now you are like being, अभी तो मैं single हूँ, अभी relationship and all.
Well, I'm single, that's true, but I've always been very conscious not to bring out too much of my personal life, because I think फिर बातें वही होती हैं.
बट
Yeah.
आपने कह दिया है कि आप सिंगल हो,
Yeah.
तो पूछना चाहूंगी किस टाइप का लड़का आप ढूंढ रही हो खुद के लिए. क्या क्वालिटीज
लड़का?
क्या
क्या qualities?
क्या क्वालिटीज चाहिए आपको एक लड़के में?
Sounding like my mother.
वाओ. Does she ask you like सुप्रिया जी, does she
ऐसे बैठ के नहीं, but see,
कशी कशी विचारते ती?
हां, काय हवंय तुला नक्की मला काय पाहिजे एवढा वेळ का लागतोय?
अच्छा, सेम माझी आई पण तेच आहे, लग्न
देखिए,
करना कधी करणार?
हाँ, ये
होतं का असं?
आई एम श्योर हम भी पेरेंट्स बन जाएंगे तो शायद
है
हम
ना?
भी यू नो
बट दिस वेडिंग प्रेशर इज दैट फॉर रियल?
बिल्कुल
नहीं है?
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं है.
क्या बात है?
I am blessed to have parents who really have celebrated me for all that I keep evolving into, and there's no pressure, of course. But look, of course, every person wants their child to have love, to have security, and they're just happy that I am independent in every way, and they're happy that you know thoda bahut naam
Yes.
kamana jari hai. Yeah, but qualities. Okay. See, I'm not going to mention basic stuff now.
course.
I am saying besides the obvious, like loyalty and respect, which is actually obvious, but is it really obvious for a lot of people? We don't know. I would definitely want to be with somebody whose core values are similar to mine. That's very important to me. You know, do you understand what I mean by values?
Yeah, of course. And I want to ask you, what are your core values like?
Traditions, family, culture is very important to me. Family is very important, and by that I mean that sometimes you can't take family for granted. You have to make that effort to build equations, to build relationships. I value relationships tremendously. मेरे ग्रैंडफादर को मैंने देखा है, मेरी एक्सटेंडेड फैमिली, माय पेरेंट्स आल्सो, कितना भी बिजी दे मेक टाइम.
बिल्कुल.
एंड इवेंचुअली मैं बताऊं, success, paisa, power, at the end of the day, it's your family and your close ones who will be there. And sometimes you have friends who are like family. So when I say maintaining relationships or core values, I mean somebody who also really values that as much as they value their career. That is something that would be very important for me. Somebody who feels like home and adventure, because I'm a very adventurous person. I love to travel. I am somebody who's very spontaneous, so it's important for me to also have that in my partner, wherein I can enjoy traveling with him, because I think if you can travel with a person, you can be with a person.
Yeah, you get to know them better.
It's very important. किसी को अगर जज करना है कि क्या ये मेरे लिए ठीक है, can so and so person be a good companion, travel with them, share a room with them, habits देखो, hygiene देखो, वो बहुत जरूरी है.
बिल्कुल, बहुत बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है.
हाँ.
Shreya, want to know, have you come across this terms like situationship, talking stage, and some more, red flags, green flags, and all those things?
Red flags, green flags, beige flags, कौन से color?
Benching.
Benching, yeah, all of these, but these are new terms.
Are you like old school? Casual dating में आप बिल्कुल
So
believe
I
नहीं
have
करती?
never really casually dated.
Okay.
I have been in longer relationships.
Okay.
But I mean, I feel like today people are very savvy with a lot of these terms. See, people can do what they want to do in their personal life. I've not really been on dating apps, so that's a different world altogether. But I hear some really entertaining stories from my friends. I hear a lot of entertaining stories from my friends, and I think I vicariously live through their stories. But ये terms बहुत से हैं जो
ये
मुझे समझ नहीं आते.
situationship को लेकर आपने stories सुने हैं? Talking stage के बारे?
Just experiences on dating apps.
Oh.
कि क्या क्या होता है, क्या
आपने
नहीं
कभी
होता
experience
है.
नहीं किया?
No, I mean I'm not opposed to the idea of dating apps, but I haven't been on one yet. But I mean, I have an open mind. I haven't been on one as yet. But yeah, I feel at the end of the day, I believe in destiny. I believe that it happens when it's meant to happen. And I also believe it happens when you least expect it.
Agreed.
जब आप एक्टिवली ढूंढ रहे होते हो बहुत बार नहीं होता जब आप थोड़ा रिलैक्स करते हो ऑल्सो आई फील लाइक द पर्सन you're with should not be somebody who you attract at a stage where you're looking at feeling complete. I think you really need to be comfortable in your skin.
Right.
And then when you attract somebody, it's not someone who's coming to fill a void.
True.
You know.
बट आपको सिचुएशनशिप और कैजुअल डेटिंग ये सब है, आपका राय क्या है इसके बारे में? व्हाट इज
जिसको जो करना है वो करे. राय की बात ही नहीं है, लोगों में राय देनी ही नहीं चाहिए. आई फील जो कंफर्टेबल है
बिल्कुल
उन्हें वो करना चाहिए. बट आई डू नो दैट मुझे तो थोड़ा ये हेक्टिक लगता है जब मैं सुनती हूँ. बिकॉज आई फील लाइक इतनी इन्वेस्टमेंट हमेशा इतनी डेट्स पे जाके from scratch you have to like give in so much of yourself, you know, you're starting from scratch about what you like, what you don't like. I think it's exhausting.
It is. मेरे से भी नहीं होता. I'm
old school actually.
Old school मैं भी 90s kid.
Yeah.
I'm an old school.
Also I have this I need a story. I need a moment of cinematic value in love. So by that I mean I need to have a story about how I met the person, which is why I feel like a part of me is not going onto a dating app because I'm excited for it to be a story.
Of course. Bollywood lovers are like that.
Maybe. Also to add to your question, I'm thinking about it as what you said about what maybe I would want in a partner. I also think it is so important to be with somebody who champions your growth and success. ऐसे बहुत लोग हैं शायद आपके फैमिली में, आपके फ्रेंड सर्कल में या आपके रिलेशनशिप में जो एनर्जी सक करते हैं, जो आपको ड्रेन करते हैं. और आपको वो ऑब्जर्व करना है कि आपके इर्द गिर्द कितने लोग हैं जो एक्चुअली आपको एनर्जी देते हैं. एंड आई थिंक इट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेंट टू कट पीपल आउट हु आर ड्रेनिंग यू आउट.
Totally.
It's very important.
Absolutely.
So that is very important to me, that to be with somebody who keeps it light, who has that sense of humor, and on bad days, how are you dealing with your bad days is so important.
Wishing you luck, Shreya. May you get
You are blushing. She is blushing on my behalf.
It's like
you know what your reaction is? Your reaction was कि ऐसा लड़का तो कहीं नहीं मिलेगा.
That is why I said wish you luck because these are the kind of things I also think in my mind constantly. ये सब चाहिए tick mark. ये चाहिए, ये ही चाहिए.
But
in
there
fact.
are guys like that, but I feel like they may be taken by now.
मुझे भी यही लगता है, but also मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है ये इतने सारे जो अच्छे लड़के हैं वो मेरे भाई बने या तो मेरे घर में मेरे पापा.
See, you know, exactly what you said.
उन्होंने है ना
standards
standards
are set very high
for me as well in my family.
When you have male members around you who have a high emotional quotient, who are comfortable being strong and vulnerable, you know. See, when we speak about being manly does not mean only being strong. It's also embracing your vulnerabilities.
True. Okay, now we have Untold Tales, wherein I'm going to mention 2 projects or 2 things, and you have to tell us about share one untold tale about it.
Untold tale.
Yeah.
Okay.
The first one is fan movie.
I feel like whatever tales I have to tell about it have been told. People love asking me this question. What was it like to work with SRK?
But I want to ask you something else. I want to ask you कि ऐसी कौन सी खास बात है शाहरुख खान में जो उनको बाकी सबसे अलग महसूस कराती है? एक जो स्पार्क है, एक जो चार्म है उनमें, क्योंकि मैं खुद उनसे मिल चुकी हूँ, मैंने इंटरव्यू किया है. हर कोई ये कहता है कि चाहे हजारों लोग एक कमरे में हो, शाहरुख खान के पास वो टैलेंट है कि आपको वो सबसे स्पेशल महसूस करवाएंगे. ऐसी कौन सी खास बात है उनमें?
You know, there's a gentleness to him. There is this gentleness that makes you feel very comfortable around him, that makes you feel like you've known him before. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yes.
There's a softness to him that draws you towards him. And he's so charming. There's a reason why everybody says that about him. Also, he's a student at heart, and I think what makes a star, the reason why somebody like an SRK, or even I'll give you the example of my father, it's his 61st year in the film industry. You know, he's been working from the age of 5. The reason why these people have stayed is because they've evolved with time and they never stopped learning, right? You don't get complacent. So I think there's a certain hunger there
Yeah.
to keep doing better.
True.
And it's not कि बस हो गया, star बन गए, अब क्या ही. Also, I think you have to love yourself also.
Yeah.
I think an SRK truly loves himself as well.
True.
You know, that is really important.
Do you have one untold tale with him that you have never shared with anyone?
Gosh, honestly, I feel like I've shared a lot of tales, but there's one particular tale maybe that I haven't shared too much. Is that one of the days on Fan after pack up, all of us were hanging out in the room with him, and we were talking about our love for storytelling. Before I started acting, I was also making short films, and he was aware of that. And he suggested a screenwriting book to me called Save the Cat. And we had a wonderful conversation about filmmaking. And tabhi I remember telling him, I said, sir, would love to see you direct. Like, he not just produce, because I could see that in him as well. So immediately I bought that book, and I still have that with me, and I've read it, and it's a beautiful book, and I'm so glad he suggested that to me. So he's somebody who will speak to you about life. He's intelligent.
Now we are going to play hashtag game.
Okay.
Okay. The first name is SRK.
Hashtag forever fan. Hashtag charmer. Hashtag the best.
है ना? Ranbir Kapoor.
Oh. Hashtag versatile.
Alia Bhatt.
Hashtag dynamite. She's a dynamite on screen. I love her.
Deepika Padukone.
Hashtag classic. She's a classic beauty. Hashtag stunning. Yeah.
Vicky Kaushal.
Ooh. Hashtag tauba tauba.
Taba. True. Sunny Kaushal.
Ooh. Hashtag bhangra pali. I did a film with
Yes.
Sunny Kaushal called Bhangra Pale. Sunny is really sweet. So hashtag bhangra pali.
Bhuvan Bao.
Hashtag वरदान. Because भुवन पे ये actually उसे वरदान है कि whatever he does gets that much love.
True that.
He's a wonderful guy.
How was it working with him?
Amazing. Bhuvan is really, really very sweet, and I think his journey is so inspiring because he started off on this track of content creation, and he's been able to build this entire series which he's produced and he's
True.
acting, and it takes a lot of courage to take control of the narrative, and I think it's going to give inspiration to so many people, because I think any creative person at some point wants to go on a path where they want to tell their own stories, you know, and so do I. I think it's important because
Yeah.
these opportunities don't naturally keep coming your way, not for everybody. So then
True.
how do you show up for yourself?
Wow.
और भुवन की ये बात बहुत मुझे अच्छी लगती है that in spite of having all of that fame, he's so grounded and he doesn't take his fans for granted. So he's genuinely a good friend. और मधु वस्या की chemistry
Yes.
लोगों को बहुत अच्छी लगी है.
Yes.
स्वीटी गुड्डू के बाद I think मधु वस्या को बहुत प्यार मिला है.
बहुत
So
प्यार
I'm very
मिला है.
fortunate that I got to do Taza
Yes,
Khabar.
and
Yeah.
Shraddha Kapoor also shared a photo with him
Yeah,
where
yeah.
she wrote, "You are one of my favorite human beings."
He is really very sweet, and both of us, I think we really have this equation where we can discuss life and then we can be crazy. We can be very honest with each other. और वही दोस्ती actually टिकती है या true friendship हम जिसे कहते हैं, जहाँ पे you're really honest also with each other.
True.
और अब अच्छी बातें भी बोलते हैं, but honest होने से इतराते नहीं हैं.
Correct.
You know.
Okay, the next one is Shraddha Kapoor.
Oh, hashtag multiple crores. Hashtag box office success. Hashtag lucky charm, maybe. And she's very sweet. Shraddha's a very sweet girl. Yeah. I
Any
know.
personal encounter you experienced? you would like to
Actually,
share?
the Amazon Guilty Minds show that I did, Shakti ji, her father, Mr. Shakti Kapoor, was in one of the episodes. and he was very kind, and he must have gone back home and mentioned to Shraddha that he liked my performance, and then Shraddha DM'd me saying, you know, Papa was saying such good things, and I thought that was so sweet of her to
Yeah.
reply and to message.
Yeah.
And my mother's also worked with her
Yeah.
on a film. She's lovely. She's
Okay.
she's simple, and her simplicity is what people really like. Yeah.
Pankaj Tripathi.
Oh. Hashtag king. Hashtag power performer.
Amazing.
Yeah, he's amazing.
Divendu.
Hashtag Munna Bhiya.
Ali Fazal.
Oh. Hashtag my Guddu for life.
Oh. Sachin Purgaonkar.
Oh. Hashtag born rockstar.
Supriya Purgaonkar.
Hashtag purest soul.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Shreya, you're doing so well at the OTT platform, but a lot of time, you know, जिन्होंने OTT पे काम किया है, ऐसे आर्टिस्ट को लेबल किया जाता है कि OTT आर्टिस्ट है. What is your take on it? Do you experience such labeling?
So I've always wanted to do a balance of work on OTT and films precisely for this reason, because लोग बहुत जल्दी labeling शुरू कर देते हैं. People find it easier to put you in a box than to reimagine you as anything else. But my choice of work has always been keeping this in mind, that I want to keep that balance. See, क्या होता है, when a film does well, all the actors involved in the film are immediately termed as bankable actors, because they've brought that much equity and value to the project. But I think when a series on OTT does well, there's a certain credibility. And for me, it's important to not just establish myself as a bankable, but also a credible actor. So the balance of bankability and credibility is what I think is important when you want to get work. But I don't know if too many people focus on that credibility part, and they're more focused on just the bankability aspect of it. But I want to be able to establish myself as both. And to me, it is the biggest compliment when people come to me and tell me that, Shreya, when you're in a project, we expect it to be good because your work so far has been good. And I take that as my responsibility.
Wow.
You know?
That's incredible. So, it's rapid fire round. The first one is Hindi films or Marathi films?
I can't pick. Marathi films तो पिलगांवकर्स की legacy रह चुकी है,
बिल्कुल.
और हिंदी films मेरा career भी है. मैं sorry, दोनों. I can't pick.
Okay. Who is the most unexpected celebrity that follows you on Instagram?
When you mean unexpected, what do you mean?
Any famous artist, or maybe someone who you did not expect that he or she will follow you?
Ranveer follows me on Instagram. I love Ranveer.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
What was the most embarrassing moment of your life?
I really can't say it here. I can't. It was so embarrassing. I can't say it here. But one of the embarrassing moments was when I walked into a meeting
Okay.
and had an entire 1 hour meeting and a discussion
Huh.
wherein I completely I thought I was talking to
हाँ.
a certain person, but वो कोई और ही निकले. और मैं जिस तरह से बातें कर रही थी, और उन्होंने मुझे रोका नहीं, करेक्ट नहीं किया. आई थिंक वो मजाक देख रहे थे. आई थिंक इट्स बॉर्डरलाइन बुलिंग. इट वाज सो एम्बैरसिंग. मैं निकली और फिर उन्होंने मुझे, फिर असिस्टेंट ने कहा कि यू नो ना कि वो नहीं थे ऐसे. फिर मुझे बताया क्यों नहीं.
उन्होंने फर्स्ट मिनट में ही बताना चाहिए.
उन्होंने मजा ले लिया.
अरे
they were getting entertained. And so moral of the story,
Very
I
bad.
now properly Google faces before going for a meeting.
It's very bad of him.
Trauma हुआ.
Such traumas in life. Okay. Name the most famous person in your phone list.
Well, I have SRK's number. I don't message him, but I have his number.
Wow. Okay, you have to choose one, modak or puran poli.
उकड़ी से मोदक, घी डाल के.
Okay. Modak or vada pav?
वड़ा पाव.
Vada pav or misal pav?
वड़ा पाव.
Wow. Okay, if you met Raj from DDLJ, what would you say?
जा राज, जी ले अपना जिंदगी. तो जी ले.
तो जी ले अपनी जिंदगी राज. क्या बात है. 3 directors you wish to work with.
Oh, there are so many. Sriram Raghavan, Sanjay Leela Bhansali, and Vasan Bala.
Wow,
Yeah.
amazing.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the last segment जहाँ पर आपको बताना है कि last time आपने क्या क्या किया था.
Okay,
Just
alright.
ask you.
Okay.
The last call.
The last call was to my manager asking my schedule for the day because I have promotions going on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Last text.
The last text. My CA. Taxes filing.
You're still filing it?
I mean, my CA constantly is in touch with me.
Correct.
So, of late, my CA has been messaging me a lot. So, yeah, my CA.
Oh, I thought I'll get some cute answer
You
for
want
your
an
crush.
honest answer, right?
Crush वगैरह किसी को.
Unfortunately, my CA is texting me more than my
Crush. So you have a crush.
I don't have a crush
No
yet.
crush right now? The last crush.
Yeah, I've had a crush recently. Yeah, I've had a crush. Of course, I'm not going to mention
Is
his
he a
name.
celebrity or cricketer?
No,
No one.
no.
No one.
Not from showbiz.
Okay.
Yeah.
The last person you stalked on Instagram.
The last person I stalked on Instagram. There's a handle that I love called Nala the Needy Roti. It's a Rottweiler who's very famous on Instagram. So I love dog videos and crazy animal videos and also memes. I'm obsessed with meme pages. So more than sort of the entertainment tap videos and stuff, you will find my algorithm giving me random cow videos, cows being cute, you know,
Dogs
like
and
animals
cats.
doing weird things. Yeah. So
Wow.
Nala the Needy Roti. Yeah.
The last time you said I love you.
Every day when I speak to my friends or my parents, I always end it with a love you.
Wow.
Yeah.
Last kiss.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Last kiss, I just kissed my dog before coming.
Expected answer. सही जवाब तो मिलेगा नहीं वैसे.
You didn't ask what kind of kiss, right? So I said,
Oh, I should have. Okay. The last hug.
last hug.
It was
Yesterday.
me.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, it was you. It was her.
The last time you cried.
The last time I cried was 4 days ago. It was tears of joy when I saw the numbers of Navra Maza Navsatsa, and it made me so emotional because I know how hard my parents have worked. और खुशी के आंसू थे तो मैं emotional हो गई.
क्या बात.
और जब भी actually मैं जब भी pray करती हूँ, I get overwhelmed. There's that much gratitude.
क्या
So,
बात है.
Yeah.
Last time when someone broke your heart.
There was a film that didn't work out, so I will say that producer broke my heart.
A producer broke Shreya's heart.
Because वो film
Sad.
नहीं मिली, वो film नहीं. But actually दिल नहीं टूटा, सच बताऊँ तो, because बाद में वो shelf हो गई film में.
फिर क्यों ही
Sorry,
टूटेगा?
it's okay.
But किसी
I
ल-
take that back.
But I don't think श्रेया का किसी लड़के ने दिल तोड़ा होगा कभी.
शायद
So
मैंने
pretty.
तोड़े.
आपने तोड़ा है? क्यों?
नहीं, not unintentional.
Unintentional.
Because मैं interested नहीं थी, इसलिए शायद
फिर ठीक है.
दिल actively नहीं तोड़ा है, but उन्हें बुरा लगा है.
हाँ, of course, future में जाके बुरा लगता है इससे better तो.
Yeah, but
Yeah, correct. Last time you unfollowed someone on social media.
So honestly, I keep going through this cycle of unfollowing because I genuinely don't end up seeing a lot of everybody's content,
Correct.
and then they're on the page for sake of it. But I feel like a lot of people get very offended, but I wouldn't get offended if I guess somebody unfollows me.
मुझे लगता है कर दो अनफॉलो अगर आप स्टोरीज देख के वैसे भी अगर गलत वाइब देने वाले हो जाओ.
नहीं, बिकॉज कुछ चीजें हैं जो इन द मोमेंट हम पेजेस को फॉलो करते हैं या
Right.
लोगों को, बट आफ्टर अ पॉइंट शायद आपको इतना वो नहीं देखना है, then maybe I mute it. Because you know people get offended, so I've muted a lot of people.
And since you're a celebrity, they might.
They
Yeah.
do sometimes get offended. But unfollowed, I guess. Yeah, there were a lot of random meme pages I was following, so I just cut it down because anyway I have my groups that supply me with daily memes. We all have those groups, ना?
course,
जहाँ
of
पे
course.
बातें नहीं, सिर्फ मीम एक्सचेंज
Meme
होता
exchange
है. वो
होता है.
रिश्ते वही हैं जहाँ पे हाय हेलो हाउ आर यू नहीं, सिर्फ मीम पे
मीम पे आजकल दोस्तों के साथ भी हो रहा है ना कि रील पे रील भेज रहे हैं.
हाँ,
फोन करके हाय हेलो कैसे कोई नहीं पूछ रहा है. रील भेज
हाउ
रहे
आर
हो
यू
ना.
फीलिंग, उसका जवाब एक जिफ है. हाउ आर यू फीलिंग, उसका जवाब एक रील है. आई लव इट.
You love it.
No, because listen, there's a skill in replying in GIFs
Yeah.
and stickers and memes. Okay,
And
I love it.
Wow.
It's
and
fun.
I think also remembering while watching that reel, it itself says कि हाँ कोई
Yeah.
याद कर रहा है हमें.
You know, the first time I
हाँ.
realized or I got the feeling कि अभी you know life में ऐसे थोड़ी तरक्की हो गई है
हाँ हाँ.
इस जब मेरे memes बनने लग गए. मिर्जापुर के बाद especially the
हाँ,
end death
हाँ.
scene, there was a very funny poster made where there's Titanic का Jack in the water, there is a raft, and instead of Kate Winslet there's Sweetie dead laughing on the raft.
To see this meme.
जिसने भी वो बनाया है.
Oh God.
मतलब yeah.
Of course.
Yeah.
Okay, the last time you felt guilty.
Last time I felt guilty. Actually, no. Even if I eat something that is a cheat meal, I don't feel guilty about it because खाने के बाद क्या guilty?
खा लिया. अब तो खा लिया. अब क्या?
वो energy guilt की क्यों दूँ?
बिल्कुल.
Maybe like honestly I do feel guilty if I don't play with my dog too much, if I don't give him too much time
Attention.
because he's 10 years old, or you know what I'm saying.
Yeah, I
that's
know.
when I feel a little guilty. Yeah.
Okay, the last one is the last Taza Khabar you read.
The last Taza Khabar I read is that Taza Khabar season 2 is killing it and that people are loving it, and I just want to say thank you
क्या बात है?
to all of you, because it's very important for me that people enjoy the work. और आपके कुछ projects होते हैं
Yeah.
जो of course people like, and कुछ projects होते हैं that stay with people forever. So you know, in my career graph or in my filmography, I think मिर्ज़ापुर के बाद ताज़ा खबर एक है जो which is like a commercial film, right? It has that mass appeal. So I'm very grateful. So thank you guys.
क्या बात है? And
Thank you.
before I sign off, we have 2 comments for you.
Yes.
What the comments में पहला comment है, when will you reunite with SRK?
जब SRK के पास dates हो. You know something? It's so sad that in Fan,
हाँ.
his character Gaurav was
Yeah.
giving Neha, my character, so much love, and I had to friend zone him in the film. So he owes me a song. Yeah,
True.
totally.
A song? I think
A film, totally.
पूरी की पूरी film
जब
चाहिए.
dates उनके पास हो जाए तब मैं.
But उनके साथ किस टाइप का रोल इस बार प्ले करना चाहेंगी आप?
You know, I would love to do action, like an action film with him.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it would be very cool. It would be so cool, and I love doing action. So yeah,
Okay.
that'd be nice.
The second comment is little funny.
Yeah.
आलिया, दीपिका, अनुष्का सबने शादी कर ली है और करियर भी कर रहे हैं. आपका क्या ख्याल है?
Very good. दोनों सबने शादी की और करियर कर लिया. इसमें सब खुश रहें. आप बात रहे.
मैं भी करूँगी शादी, but
एक
time है.
second. You know, the other day someone said, "Ma'am, marry me." I said, "Biodata भेज दो."
Someone actually proposed to you.
Online, I get a lot of.
Wow.
The funniest DM I have got is this guy sent me a DM
Huh.
saying, if you ever decide to lower your standards, I'm right here. That was his way of saying,
Oh my God.
I'm not as per your standards. If you decide to lower your standards, then I'm
I don't think श्रेया के लाइफ में फिर wedding cards जैसा कुछ आएगा. Is wedding on your cards? Not right.
Not right now.
I'm not lowering my standards right now.
No. But honestly speaking, I think whenever we don't ask boys these questions. Even boys need to be asked these questions.
है ना?
Huh. But I mean, right now, if fans have to manifest anything for me, it would be, you know, I would ask them to manifest an incredible film for me where I get to dance, and you know, it's the big dhamakedar
है ना?
Bollywood film, because that's something I really want to do, because I want to maintain that balance. OTT पे ज़्यादा काम हुआ है.
Which actor and which director? सब एक साथ ही manifest कर देते हैं.
Okay, I would love to do a Sanjay Leela Bhansali film, and विकी के साथ कर लेते हैं इस बार.
विकी कौशल.
विकी के साथ
Okay, ये करण जौहर वाला तो काउच नहीं है, but फिर भी अगर ये मैनिफेस्ट
फिल्मी
होता है,
ज्ञान का couch
फिल्मी
है.
ज्ञान का काउच है, तो आपको
बिल्कुल.
पहला ये मैनिफेस्ट होगा क्योंकि ये फिल्मी ज्ञान का काउच है. हमने मैनिफेस्ट किया है संजय लीला भंसाली की फिल्म.
रणवीर भी चाहिए.
रणवीर सिंह भी चाहिए, विकी कौशल भी भी चाहिए अगर ये मैनिफेस्ट होता है कि खाओ काउच की कसम आप पहला इंटरव्यू फिल्मी ज्ञान को दोगे।
Done.
May you manifest and may all your dreams come
Thank
true,
you.
Shreya. It was wonderful talking to
Thank
you.
you for having
Wish you
me.
like all the
Thank you
best.
so much.
Bye.